Well, what do you think of my spaghetti, Will?
Very nice.
Auxiliary belt has just snapped. I'm glad it didn't go at 70 mile an hour, but it's gone. It's everywhere down there. I mean, just look at the pile underneath. It has totally shredded. Oh, we've just come off the drove at Stonehenge, and it's driven up there all right. I left it running for half an hour yesterday. Just look at it. It's gone round and round. I can't get it to spin off. It's gone. Yeah, I ran it for half an hour yesterday, which I very rarely run my engine. Oh, there he goes. There's one. Look at that. Oh, there. That's that one. Yeah, there's still a load more. Ow! Bloody water pumps hot. Yeah, I can't get it off. Doesn't want to unwind itself. Is that one going now? There's that many strands in there. There's one. He came out. That's it. Now put your finger in there whilst it's spinning. There. Yes. No, there's still more in there. Yeah, still more in there. And it looks like there's a load all wrapped up down there. Oh, got him. That's all of those from around that one. I've already pulled it off these. Yeah, they're gone off there. And they're all gone from over here. Alright. And that's the only trouble with a Transit. You've got to have it on there. Because you've got power steering, water pump, aircon. No, what's that one? I can't remember what that one is. And you've also got aircon at the bottom. So, yeah, that's the power steering. Oh well, that's it. Now I got to rummage around in a van to try and find a new belt. Right. Because all I've got to do now is get the spanner and undo the tensioner, twist the tensioner as far as I can, because I've just got that one loop to go on there. So I can't remember if I do that one or this one, because that's the tensioner there, right? But there's a hell of a twist to get on the belt to be able to get it over the top of the pulley. Cut myself to shreds because this is bloody sharp. I've gone over and over and over. I had to get the schematic up, and that's what I kept getting confused on, was that area there. I got it in the end though. Yep, that's up through down there. Yep. So right, I'm just gonna, because I've got a 3/8 to a 1/2 inch drive there. Yep. And I'm going to stick him in there. Oh, I'm going to extend the bar first. There. Now I've got the bar on there. Stick him in there. They don't like going in. There he goes, he's in there. Right, and then, yeah, I'm pulling the wrong way. So I've got to take him back off, turn me clip, and put him in that way round. Get in there, you cow. There you go. She's in. Right, now I can't do this and hold the camera, so I'm going to just see if I can pop you on there. Are you plopped enough? No, I don't think so. No, you're not going to get to see it. So, right. Pull on the belt. past that and that. My hands don't work back to front, do they?
Nope.
It's come off the bottom pulley now.
Uh-oh.
And I'm beggar if I can get into... Oh, now I've dropped the bloody ratchet.
You want me to see if I can get my little hands in there?
Yeah, not with that much pressure on him, Will. You won't get it. I'm going to take him off the bottom pulley, put him on that one, take him off the top pulley, put him on the bottom pulley, and then try and get him on the power steering. Oh, I've hit the camera now and the camera's twisted. Oh, you bastard. Get in there. Now it's the fucking dipsticks in the way now. And no, not Will. I can't quite know where to stick the camera to try and get a view. Right, okay. Holy mackerel! That just took it out of me.
Looks like
they're all on this side by the looks.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it does look good. Yeah, bottom one's on, that one's on, those two there are on.
Yeah, the fun part was starting out.
Yeah, it looks like they're all on those pulleys. Yeah, it's on the alternator, it's on the power steering, it's on the adjuster. Now is all I've got to do is just check that he is properly on. Did you piss against my wheel? There you go, yeah. He's definitely on that one there. Yeah, that's it. Right. Yep, they're all on. Now, let's try in time. Move that over there. For now. Put my knife, because I had to cut the old belt off, back in my pocket. Don't forget my phone. Have a swig of... You can laugh, it's your turn next. Wow. Now we just got to try him.
Yeah. What a collaboration.
Yeah. I mean, first of all, you always think the belt 6 inches too long, but there is a certain direction it's got to go around the belt. Keys in my pocket. Handbrakes on in neutral. That's telling me I got a flat battery. There you go. How long did that take, Will?
Not that long.
When you know your engines,
Yeah.
you carry the spares for them. And I hate that because it makes the what you call it, rattle. There. That's it. Now is all I gotta do. Get the baby wipes. I've already cleaned them once. Do it again. Right, people. I have just driven all the way from Stonehenge to Stratford-on-Avon, and I'm on the motorhomer site, and I filmed taking the old one off, Hang on, I just got to open that bonnet. Yeah. Bonnet stay. Right. I filmed cutting the old one off and putting the new one on. Left it ticking over whilst I put all my tools away, and it was running fine. Then, all of a sudden, it did it again. Brand new belt, it did it again. And I have come all that way with just half a belt. You see, there's 2 grooves left. My kettle's boiling its head off. Yeah, so I've come all that way on half a cam belt. Hurry up, Will. Second one in. Second one in. Yeah, it's the one just before, just after the first one in.
How many rings have you got on there?
4.
You had a 1 in 4 chance.
No, 1 in 5 because there's a grill as well.
Oh, right.
Who are you?
Hello.
Who are you? Hey, you could have had a shave.
Oh, no. I was going to have a shave. But...
Well, you know, I didn't have a shave either.
Me?
You ain't old enough to shave yet.
No, you still got bumper.
Yeah. Yeah, so I've come all that way now. I'm just on the phone to Euro Parts. Right, I had it in the past, well, not long after I first had the van. As you can see, the alternator pulley, he's square. I don't know whether you can see it. He is square on this side, and it is on that pulley this side, and these are on the pulley the other side. Right, at the back of the pulley, and that one's on the front of the pulley. But I've had it in the past, because the belts are so tight, I got a feeling that my crank pulley might have gone. It went before and it snapped belts like there was no tomorrow, and we couldn't work it out. But when I do start it up, you can see a slight wobble in that pulley. It's either that, or I'm hoping it's not the alternator pulley. It might even be the idler pulley on the tensioner. I don't know. I'll start with the crank pulley, I think. So, but it won't get done now until I get home. So I'll just put this video out, and then when the time comes, I'll show you how to replace a crank pulley on them.